Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today, we're going to be doing a lot of services. Myself and Dewan are working together. We're not using my rig. My rig is down. It's getting some repairs, but it'll be back on the road very soon. So, in the meantime, we're going to be using Dewan's system, which is he has a 4 GPM pressure washer and also a 12 volt softwash system, but he has the two 12 volts that's in tandem from Freedom Softwash, and he got the whole box and everything like that. So my rig will be back on the road pretty soon. I'm booked out all this week and next week, so all the videos you guys gonna be seeing me do is while the truck is down. So myself and the one gonna use his, like I said, we're gonna use his rig. So you're gonna see his rig a lot in the videos to come. I got a lot of videos to edit because we've been going so hard lately. The last 2 months has been super crazy. Pretty much been working every day, 3 jobs or better. So I appreciate all the support, guys. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. Make hit the like button for me. If you got any questions, just go ahead and ask them. I answer all my questions. So we're gonna get this show on the road. We're gonna be using the 4 GPM. I just got him a downstream injector and also the jrod, so it's easy to use instead of having to pull 2 hoses to use the softwash system and also the pressure washer. So we're just gonna downstream like I do with my system and make it pretty easy. So like I said, today's 3 jobs. We're gonna start off with a fence cleaning. We're gonna start off with a pool cage and pool deck, and we got a roof cleaning, and afterwards we got another pool cage and pool deck. So y'all stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Alright, so this is the pressure washer here. It's a 4 GPM, 4,000 PSI, Mighty M, pressure washer with a Honda engine. We got the hose hooked up to the house. It's hooked up on the inside of the cage. That's this hose right here. And like I said, we're gonna downstream. So this is his downstream injector right here. This is how you inject the chemical into the line. So the pressure washer is like this. You just plug it in, plug your hose into it, and then we got the SH over here. Got a little drop tube, so the tube doesn't coil up. Sometimes it'll come out of the SH and you draw in air. So we got a little drop stick. We put it through there, and then so it stays at the bottom, so it never comes out the bucket. Got that gold sauce down there. So that's basic as far as downstreaming go. He has a 4 GPM, so we got our jrod, which is over here. These 2 right here on the right is the soap tips. This is the like 1-story wide fan. This is a 2-story shooter tip for the soap. And on this side we got a rinse tip for 1-story, and then a jet wash tip. So if you rinse far away, don't use this one here for 1-stories because you put a line in there. All right, so we got a new jrod from Ameritech. Normally he soft washes with a soft wash system. I'm trying to introduce him to downstreaming because pretty fast. You don't use as much chemical, and it's simple, and you don't have to pull out multiple hoses. So let's go check the job out. All right, this is the cage here. I see some cobwebs on there on the screens. Oh, look at that, screens is loose. So we gotta be careful. Bunch of cobwebs on here. Not a whole lot of algae on the screens itself. Check out the inside here. Oh yeah, the inside definitely got some algae. You can see all the green. You can see it all throughout right there. Yeah, she's pretty dirty. Look at that section right there. Overcast day. It's not supposed to rain, but we'll take it because it's been like 90 degrees lately. See over here, it's pretty green. So you do your walk around, you check to make sure, you know, if they got blown out screens, you get that on camera. We already seen this one was loose. So we're gonna assume that, you know, pretty much all of them are the same way and take the same precaution everywhere. So we're gonna get started now. We're gonna go ahead and apply the SH on the outside and come in here, hit the inside up with some more SH. By the time we get done applying in here, the SH will be good and ready to be rinsed from the outside, and we can just turn around and rinse everything down. Starting about 8:53. We'll see how long it takes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and apply our SH all over the cage. My man DeJuan got one of the blue guns. You guys know I got that yellow. You know, his company colors are blue, so it was fitting, right? Blue Stuntman gun with the lance and everything. And we picked this one up the other day from Pressure Washer Products with Lori Smith. They got those in stock if you guys need one. Like I said, they got other colors too. Of course, you can get the black, the yellow. They got a red. They ain't got no pink, man. They ain't got no pink. I wish they had a pink one. If you guys haven't yet, make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment. If you got any questions, go ahead and ask them. You guys know I answer all my comments. Trying to help everybody out. We're not using a lot of surfactant in the SH right now. We didn't put a lot in there, just put a little bit so I can see it coming out. You guys know I don't use too much on these cages anyway. A lot of times that slows me down on the rinsing. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and hit the inside now. Inside was worse. Oh yeah, this baby was dirty. Whew, boy, my fucking arm. That just hurt. My shoulders hurt. Holding the gun and recording at the same time. It was still some more SH in there? Oh, you already poured some in there? All right, we just got done applying the mix on the inside. It's already starting to work. If you're doing a cage You spray the SH on the beams and you see that it's still green, just give it some dwell time. A lot of times, you know, if you keep on applying, you're just wasting chemicals and you're not gonna get anything done. You guys can see how it's looking so far. Everything pretty much white so far. All that green is pretty much gone. Like I said, we're gonna go on the outside and rinse, come back in here and rinse, and we'll be wrapped up. 9/11 right now, pretty good timing. Y'all stay tuned, we're gonna go outside and start rinsing. All right, now we're back on the outside. I'm gonna give it a good rinse. Make sure that all those cobwebs and pollen and all that is out of here. Using a nice white cage. Love doing the white cages. Okay, inside rinse is going down. We want to rinse all the screens off. We don't have a lot of suds. Like I said, we're not using a lot of SH today. So therefore, you know, you're not gonna have a whole lot of suds in the screens. Easy rinse. It's all in your preference. If you want to use a lot of surfactant on the screens, you can. It's not no right or wrong way to do it. It's all in your preference. It's soft washing, you know, via downstreaming. It's all the same, soft washing. It's no high pressure. Everything that's low pressure is soft washing. Let the SH do its thing, kill the algae, and then you just come back and give it a rinse with a low pressure. That way you're not damaging nothing, not blowing the screens out. Everything stays intact. I'm starting to get the pictures that I requested for my 15K giveaway I did. Soon I'll do a video showing everybody with the prizes. A couple of people I'm still waiting on. Just send me their pictures, you know, just to verify that they did get their prizes. I'm a man of my word, so I asked them to send a picture. We'll see if they do it. I know one thing, everything got sent out. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish rinsing this little area right here, and then we'll do a recap afterwards. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, we all wrapped up here. You can see here now, all the algae is on off the frame. Looking pretty clean. Yes, sir, looking good. Like I said, we wasn't here for the deck, so we're not touching the deck. You know, I went ahead and just rinsed the windows nearby. I rinsed the sliding glass doors as well. Rinse the furniture off, you know, just in case, you know, stuff get on there, you know. You don't want to leave that on there. You don't want to leave the windows spotty. So therefore, we rinse those down to alleviate that issue. It's nothing worse than having to come back because you got spotted windows, you know, because you're spraying wildly. Now, if you're washing the house, that's a different story. We're doing the cage, so you're not thinking that you're getting stuff everywhere else. So rinse everything off, all right? So we're gonna pack it up, and we'll see you guys at the next job. Y'all stay tuned. See what time we got, 9:39. All right, y'all, we at the second job. We're here for a small roof wash. Could actually do it from the ground if we wanted to, because it's just two sides of the roof. But I'm gonna just jump up there and get it done. Right now we're in St. Petersburg, Florida. This is gonna be a house that's going up in the market, so it's being renovated. Actually, the company that's doing this has hired me 2 times prior to get their properties ready. So this is going to be a nice little project. Shouldn't take us that long in and out. They don't have a lot of plants around, so we don't have to worry about killing any plants. The grass is pretty much dead everywhere. except for right here by the front door. They have some plants right there, which we'll water before, during, and after. So I'm gonna jump up there, show you guys the roof. So this is the roof here. Like I said, it's pretty easy, straightforward. We're just gonna put a 6% mix of SH and water on here. Tiny roof, man. Like I said, we could have shot this from the ground and then you know, be okay, but I'll jump up here and knock this out fast. I'll take me some pictures and bring the one up here and start spraying that lava. All right, we'll go ahead and start applying our mix here. Start on this little back section. Shouldn't take that long at all. I probably could talk to y'all the whole time while I'm spraying this whole roof. Got a little air in the line. Y'all, we just got done spraying this little porch back there and this side of the roof. Just treated it. We're just gonna let it sit, and you know, might have to come back and do another layer just to make sure everything is you know, covered fully. So now we're gonna jump on this front side here. You can see the marks on the SH, cleaning the algae from our runoff. But we're gonna make it look just like this side here. You can see a big difference. We got an air leak in the proportioning valve, so the gun is spitting out air and slowing down the flow. We just have to address that later, but you know, we still can get the job done at least. Y'all, we're coming along pretty well. You guys can see back here what we're looking like. Almost there. Just got done spraying that area. The one is keeping everything wet down there for me. Still fighting with the air leak, but like I said, things happen on the job, man. Nothing is ever perfect. That's why you charge accordingly when you got to fix your equipment. You got to put money aside for maintenance and repairs. All right, guys, we're all done with the roof. Let's check it out and see what it looks like. So this is the back right here. Thing was looking ugly when we first got here. Nice and gray looking. This is the back side of the roof here. Everything is treated. Still wet. Some spots. Over here, as you guys can see, it's cleaned. Over there, it's taking a little longer, but you know, you can tell it's lightening up. Once it dries up, it's gonna look fantastic. Make sure everything got sprayed twice with a light coat. After the first coat, I just did a light coat, a couple of green areas. But for the most part, everything is gonna dry up and look good for the customer. Take some pictures and then we'll be out of here. We'll see you guys at the next job. Okay, we're at the third job for the day. Right now we're in South Tampa. We're gonna be doing the pool cage here, pool deck, and I'm gonna blow out the gutters. I did this place last year. Last year was terrible. I don't remember the video, so I can't really tag it in here so for you guys to see, but it was pretty bad. So we're back to do it again. Let's show you guys what it looks like. So you already see we got some debris up here. Yeah, that's fine. See a lot of debris on top of the cage. A lot of cobwebs. Last year it was completely covered, especially over here. It was covered all over. Pool deck was really bad. It's not as bad at all this year, but we do have a lot of cobwebs, man. There's a number of cobwebs everywhere. I'm running into them too. Ugh, hate that. So we're just gonna spray some SH on here, some sodium hypochlorite. It's gonna melt the cobwebs away. It's not so much algae on here, so we don't have to worry about that. But either way, you know, we're gonna spray it down with SH to get the cobwebs off. We'll go ahead and knock out the pool deck as well. But before I start, I'm gonna go up top and knock out the gutters, get those cleaned out. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we up top here. This is the gutters. So we got some stuff here. Top of the cage, nothing major. I'm gonna use the wash jet tip, which for the 4 GPM is a 0010. So we can get this thing blown out and cleaned up for this customer. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we got the gutters blown out, flushed out, all the debris off the top. You guys can see now, you can see right on the gutters. Now we're gonna go down there and blow everything off. That's on the other side. Wash down the cage, wash down the deck. Now we'll be all finished here. Of course, we gotta rinse the fence because we got debris on the fence. All right, guys, the one is applying the mix. Got a lot of cobwebs, so we gotta soak those cobwebs up. Make sure they dissolve. Oh no. So you guys see that downstream pretty much does everything except for roofs. And you're not gonna downstream a roof, it's not gonna be strong enough. So we use a soft wash system to do the roof. And now we downstream everything else. The roof, you're gonna need a 6%, 6%, even a 7% sometimes, depending how bad the roof is. Downstream, you're probably gonna get like around a 1 to a 2%, which is perfect for like pool cages, houses, pool decks, fences, stuff like that. You guys see we're doing these jobs with a 4 GPM, so you know, if you're starting out, 4 GPM is perfect to get everything done. If you got the funds to go higher, you can go higher, but you know, 4 is pretty good. I started with a 4 myself. Got some debris over here we still gotta blow off. We'll blow everything this way. Alright, we're gonna spray the ground now. Sand mix. We got a lot of stuff on the pool deck, so we're just gonna scoot them to the side as much as we can. Just go around it. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and rinse everything off now. Get all that stuff off the cage. Y'all, we just got done rinsing the cage down. She's good to go. No more cobwebs. Had a bunch of cobwebs everywhere. Not so much algae, like I said. Right now we're gonna rinse the deck with the wand. We're not gonna use the surface cleaner on it. Paint looks kind of fragile already, so we're not gonna take the chance. Right now you can see it's dirty. Got a lot of dirty water standing around, but when we're done, it's gonna look nice and clean. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like, share the video, leave a comment, and hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video. The one is finishing up rinsing this deck here. Like I said, we use the wand. The one is using the wand to get the deck cleaned up. Yeah. Over here's already cleaned and rinsed off. Wasn't too bad anyway. That over there was the worst on that side. We'll do a final lap around, make sure everything is intact, how it's supposed to be. Pollen is still falling. We just cleaned this whole screen. Look at all this pollen. Just fell down right on top of that screen. It's ridiculous. Never ending fight. Y'all, that's it for the day. 3 jobs knocked out. We just got done like around 3 o'clock. So, pretty good day. Nice and easy jobs today. Small setbacks, but yeah, things happen. It's all good. Got the jobs done. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.